Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. I want to welcome you into a special place. This is the Musalla at Zaytuna College, right here in Berkeley, California. And this room, this is at the heart of it all. 5 times a day, our students come together here to pray. They recite the Quran here. They sit in circles of knowledge here. And from this space, the adhan goes out, calling everyone back to what matters most. Our Ramadan theme this year is the soul's delight. Ramadan invites us to slow down, to be present, to savor the time we have with the people we love, and most importantly, to reconnect with our Creator. And part of that reconnection, part of what makes Ramadan so beautiful, is generosity. The Prophet ﷺ was the most generous of people, and he was most generous in Ramadan. So I want to share simple ways you can be part of what we're building here. Something, inshallah, that will outlast all of us. A one-time gift of Sadaqa. And I want to be real with you. It doesn't matter the amount. Whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts in your heart, your Sadaqah goes directly to supporting our students, our faculty, and the programs that keep this place running. Your gift impacts student housing, meals, textbooks, our Sunnah sports program, and the scholars who pour into these young people every single day. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. Zaytuna College is funded almost entirely through private gifts from people just like you. We don't receive government support, foreign or domestic. And because of the generosity of folks like you, our students graduate debt-free. The Prophet ﷺ told us that Sadaqa extinguishes the sins the way water puts out fire. And he told us that on the day of resurrection, the believer's shade will be their charity, your Zakat. But here's what I want you to know about how we handle Zakat at Zaytuna, because it's really important. We've made a deliberate choice to limit Zakat funds exclusively to covering the full cost of educating Zakat-eligible students. Not institutional overhead, not operating expenses. 100% of your Zakat goes to educate students in genuine financial need, who've dedicated themselves to learning Quran, Arabic, the classical Islamic sciences, and, of course, the liberal arts. Your Zakat is doing something incredible. You're not just fulfilling an obligation, you're investing in the future. The Prophet ﷺ said that when a person dies, their deeds come to an end except for 3: ongoing charity, beneficial knowledge, and a righteous child who prays for them. When you direct your Zakat here, you're planting seeds in all those categories at once. Joining our 12,000 strong community. 12,000 strong is our monthly giving family, and it's built on the beautiful prophetic promise that 12,000 believers will not be defeated for lack of numbers. That's not just about strength on the battlefield. That's about a community so united in purpose that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself promises his care. And here's the beautiful thing. You don't have to give a large amount. It can be $1 a day, whatever works for you. What matters is the consistency, because that steady, reliable support is what allows us to plan ahead. So, my fellow Muslims, that's the invitation. Zaytuna College was founded with a vision that the West will know Muslims as a source of beneficial knowledge and service for all of humanity. That's not just a slogan on a website, that's what we're working toward every single day. One student, one classroom, and one prayer at a time. And we can't do that without you. The Prophet ﷺ said, whoever guides someone to goodness will have a reward like the one who does it. Every student who walks through these doors and every scholar who goes out into the world from this campus, you share in that reward. This Ramadan, be a part of the soul's delight. Give your Sadaqa, fulfill your Zakat, and join the 12,000 strong. Visit zaytuna.edu/Ramadan. It's all right there for you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from you and from us. May He make it heavy and beneficial on your scale on that final day. And may He count you among those who helped root sacred knowledge in the soil of this land. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.